After the United Kingdom voted for Brexit and leaving the European Union in 2016, special arrangements had to be made for Northern Ireland. This is because it is the only part of the UK that borders an EU country, the Republic of Ireland. Before Brexit, both countries followed EU trade laws, so there was no paperwork needed when goods were transported between them. However, that is no longer the case, because the EU has strict food rules and certain goods, such as milk and eggs, need border checks when they arrive from non-EU countries. Due to the border's troubled political history, the UK and the EU agreed that it is very important to protect the 1998 Northern Ireland peace deal, the Good Friday Agreement. So, as part of Brexit, they came up with a plan called the Northern Ireland Protocol, which is now part of international law. The Northern Ireland Protocol agreed that goods will not be checked at the Irish border, but instead all inspections and document checks would take place between Northern Ireland and Great Britain to make sure that all the products comply with EU law. Goods coming from Great Britain and entering Northern Ireland would be checked at Northern Ireland ports before they could move across the border and into the Republic of Ireland. There has been some opposition or disagreement to the Northern Ireland Protocol by unionist parties such as the Democratic Unionists or the DUP. They think that this protocol places an imaginary border across the Irish Sea and separates Northern Ireland from the rest of the United Kingdom. So they are refusing to take part in Northern Ireland's government. Last week, they refused to take part in a vote in Stormont, which would have set up a new assembly after recent elections. So the process is now halted. The UK's government also feel that the EU is applying really strict rules. The UK would prefer to get rid of checks between Great Britain and Northern Ireland, make sure that the goods that stay in Northern Ireland only have to meet British standards and not EU law, and not have the European Commission and the European Court of Justice overseeing how the protocol works. The UK has delayed the protocol from coming fully into action, and the EU says this is a breach of international law. Last year, the EU was willing to renegotiate and even set out some new proposals, which included a reduction in checks on food products coming from Northern Ireland and having the amount of paperwork along with some other changes. However, the UK rejected this proposal, saying it would worsen the current trading arrangements. Talks are continuing today to try to find a compromise agreement on the issue.